Hi, my name is Abhishek and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, the time has come that the quick heal old packs will be replaced with the new packs. Now, there is a confusion in the market that the new packs are coming with a feature called Deep AI, which is missing in the old packs. This is partially true. Though AI is a hot topic in the IT now, but for quick heal, this is nothing new. Quick Heal already had two features called DNA scan and behavior detection, which is as good as AI. What is the difference then? Technically nothing. When you are purchasing Quick Heal Antivirus software, you are not actually purchasing it. You are purchasing the PUR. That means product uses right. That includes the right to use the product for the subscription period, the signature updates, product updates and service for the entire subscription period. Then where lies the problem? The problem is the box is manufactured in the company, then it comes to the T1 partners, then it comes to the volume partners, from there it comes to the resellers, and from there it reaches the end user. Now this entire process may take longer duration, it may take 2 months, it may take 3 months. So it is most likely this will happen that the box you are purchasing from a shop which contains a media that is not having the updated software. So what is the solution? What is the proper way to install the Quick Heal Antivirus? Not only with Quick Heal Antivirus, this is applicable with almost all the softwares. What is the process? Let us go through it. First, you download the latest version of the software from the website of the company. Second, you activate the product with your product key. And the third, enjoy the latest version of the software. Please remember, the box has nothing to do with the product quality or feature. Thank you.